that's a serious bug for you. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So yes, the OnePlus 9 just got Android 12. So this was a little unexpected to me. I don't have it on my 9 Pro yet because this is not an unlocked model. So the unlocked models are getting it, and that is just fantastic. So I'm pretty sure the carrier models will follow up in the next 3 to 6 months. Hoping that it's a little sooner, but unfortunately my carrier model does not have it yet. But my unlocked model has it. Now, it just finished the installation and I just signed in. And it was pretty strange because while it was booting up, all my icons were like different. They were square. There was nothing in my app tray. But once it kind of settled down, this is where we're at. So I have not touched the operating system yet since it did the update. And what you're going to see is what it's like when you first finish the update. So if I scroll up here, this is what the app tray is looking like right now. There's all my apps and everything. Now if I swipe down here, okay, so now it says swipe down to access shelf. So over here, this is where you access your shelf at. And there's a long list of things that was actually updated in here. And on the list for the update for Android 12. So if you swipe down on this side, you get your notifications. This is actually pretty cool that they've done it this way. You swipe over this way and you get obviously your feed. So swiping down right here gets you your shelf. Having a dual swipe down like that, it's cool and everything, but sometimes it could be a little agitating. But it in fact is something that they have now in place. So looks like they put this OnePlus folder here because I actually had removed that and I had other things on my desktop arranged a certain way. So here we go. Now it's giving me all these informations here on how to access everything. So what did it do with that? Did it remove it? What the heck happened? Did you see that? I guess it removed it. Oh, it put it over here. Oh, I guess it was too fast. Yeah, I want you over here. And it's so strange. It actually moved my icons around. Like this used to be over here and vice versa. So it's kind of strange, but I guess the update did some organizations for me. So let's go ahead and long press and see what happens here, what we get. Okay, so you've got multiple icons, touch and hold, blah, 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 blah. So let's go to layout here, and as you can see, you can go 5x6. Let's go ahead and apply that. I like 5x6. Let's check the widgets. So you now have the widgets like this, which is pretty cool. I think that's pretty nice. Let's go icons. Obviously, you can change the icons. If you have other icon packs, you can decide how you want to do that. So you've got material design. You can actually have the actual physical design of it. You got your pebble, and then you got custom, where you can add art to your icons. That's crazy. But it is the thing. You can choose the shape down here. I can make them look like that, like that, like that, that. Kind of used to the round icon, so it's kind of hard to break away from that. But these are the defaults. But let's go to round because I don't want the icons like that. And it's so strange it moved everything up here. But let's put this back in place. 5x6 is pretty nice being able to do that. So let's long press again and let's go to wallpapers. And again, you have to agree to everything. And then here is the way the wallpaper setup is for the OnePlus devices with Android 12. So you've got static 2, and then you've got live wallpapers right here. It's kind of strange, but that's how you got it. And you get your album up here, and the inventive wallpapers up there. So, and they've got a done button up here on the top now. So that's different from what I can tell. So let's go into settings here. First, let's go to manage, and you can select and sort. Okay, yeah. So let's just go into settings. And settings looks different. This all used to be just a different color. It was the icons were smaller or were bigger, and the words were smaller. So this is helpful for me because I'd rather have big words on the page than big icons. So in here, you've got your mobile network. I took the SIM card out, but you've got your mobile network. Display and brightness is what I want to check out here. So obviously you got dark mode there. You got natural tone display. If that was there, I never used it. Video image sharpener. Yeah, we definitely want to turn that on. Video color enhancer is already on. Bright HDR video mode. Increase screen brightness when playing HDR. Yeah, we definitely want to turn that on. Refresh rate is set to high. You've got standard, high, and blah, blah, blah. So 120 hertz, obviously. That's where I had it set before. Screen display here. You can see show front camera. This is where you hide the area at the top. Hide front camera. Front full screen display. Full screen display off. You know, it's kind of weird to have, you know, the full screen display off, but some people might like it. So let's get out of here and let's go down to notifications and status bar. You can see display data usage. Blah, blah, blah. I normally have that on. Battery percentage, real network speed. So I like having the network speed on. Let's see, status icons. Yeah, you've got all the different things in here that you can actually turn on and off. So that's pretty cool. Let's see here. Let's check for something else here because I want to see something in here. Let's go to about real fast. And this is the way it looks now. It didn't look like this before. I kind of like the other look, you know, the way it looked before. It had a picture of the phone and things like that. But now it's just got the information, device name, storage. Man, I got 105 used, man. I've been doing a lot of recording and saving on here, I guess. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 12 gigs of RAM, Android 12. So it's pretty cool that, and it's on the November security patch. That's kind of strange, but I would think it would be on the December security patch, but it's got November security patch for Android 12. And here is Android 12. This is it. Android 12. So that'll be a pretty cool wallpaper. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But there it is, man. Android 12 is here on your OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pop one of my SIM cards in here and actually go ahead and start using this because I want to see what's up with the network and things like that. But overall, let's go to system settings here. Gestures, keyboard, power. Okay. So there's a long list. And let me go into the gallery here. And you got to agree to the statement. There's a long list. And here's the list of things that it changed. So you've got your new system icons, improved textures, blah, 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 dark mode support. There's a long list of things here. Yeah, and that's the newly added OnePlus Scout and Shelf. And then also there was something else added here, the newly added earphone control card with Bluetooth ear one-click adjustment. Also added was the work-life balance features now available to all users. That wasn't available to all users. And now supports automatic workflow life. And you got your gallery now allows you to switch between different layouts with the 2-finger pinch and gesture. So let's go here. Yep, just like that. So basically, pretty much, they're doing what most have been doing for a long time. This isn't something that's new, but you know, this is how they're doing it now. So there's a lot to cover on here. I'll go ahead and put one of my SIM cards back into this device and go ahead and start using it again for a little bit. And hopefully I'll get it on my OnePlus 9 Pro. Because let me show you what I'm talking about for the system screen here and about screen. I personally like this, and it's something simple, but you know, it's no big deal, but I just wanted to show you exactly how I like this, man. I prefer this look right here than the other look. I don't know, it's just something about this. I'm just used to seeing it that way, and I don't know why they took this style away, but they did. This is the new look for the about screen, and obviously they're moving on. They're switching it up, but same thing, you know. Yeah. I don't know why this says Snapdragon 855. Oh, that's a serious error. Yeah, because this has a Snapdragon 888. Oh, man. Look at that, folks. I found a bug right in the system. This clearly does not have the 855. It has the 888. This is the OnePlus 9. Whoa. They have to fix that. I mean, even though I know what I have, look at that serious bug right there. 855. That's a serious bug for you. That's a bug. Anyway, yeah. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.